Click to open to purchase membership. Select the member who needs to be upgraded. Click Copy USDT deposit address to transfer. Open Binance application. Click Wallets. Choose Withdraw. Click USDT or enter USDT. Paste the receiving wallet address. Open Like application and copy the amount of USDT that needs to be transferred. Paste the amount of USDT transferred. 300.8297 changed to 301.8297. Click Withdrawal to confirm the transfer. After the transfer is successful, take a screenshot. Click to open Like application. Click Submit application. Click Mine. Copy the UID of the account. Open Contact Online Customer Service. Click to send the transfer certificate. Send the UID of the login account that needs to be upgraded. After sending, wait for online customer service review.